Welcome to GIELTShelp.com's General IELTS test preparation videos. You will see a South Korean candidate score a band 7 for his performance on the speaking interview. For lots more lessons, including over 100 hours of videos, a fully interactive course, and 6 original practice exams to help you get those high band scores, visit and join our premium online package today at GIELTShelp.com. Now watch and learn. Welcome to the speaking portion of the IELTS exam. My name is Adrian. I will be your examiner for this part of the test. I'm going to record this for marking purposes. Okay. May I see your identification passport, please? Here. Thank you. And what is your full name?
My full name is Byung-woo Kim. Please call me by my Western name, Jack.
Okay, Jack. The speaking has 3 parts. For part 1, I'd like to get to know you a little bit better. I will give you instructions for each part. Please introduce yourself in a few words.
As I said, my name is Byung-woo Kim. I'm 28 years old. I graduated University of Hanyang a year ago with a degree in chemical engineering. And I live in 1-bedroom flat, and my favorite hobby is go-kart racing.
And what do you like to do in your free time?
Aside from go-kart racing, I like to play football and video games.
Let's talk about competition.
Okay.
Do you like to compete with others?
Yes, I do. Whether it's racing go-kart, as I said, or playing competitive computer game. I enjoy Silver Library, like the online Call of Duty first-person shooter game tournament. I took a part in last weekend.
How often do you participate in a contest?
I frequently compete with others, especially if I count on it. Online gaming, I would say every day.
What are your favorite kinds of competitions to watch?
I'm really into watching the F1 racing circuit as well as Korean football. Since they reflect my hobby at the professional scale. I just watched the great match on TV last Saturday. My favorite team, Jump FC, won.
Have you ever won a race?
Yes, I have. Just last month, I won the regional racing go-kart championship. Yeah.
If you could make a competition, what would it be?
That's an interesting question. I would create a tournament where tournaments would compete to run in go-kart around the earth. That could be super cool.
That is the end of part 1. Now we will continue with part 2. Here's a card with some questions. Please don't turn that over yet.
Okay.
Here is some note paper and a pencil. You will have 1 minute to look at the questions on the card, take notes if you wish. Then you will have 2 minutes to speak. I will tell you when to start and when to stop. Are you ready to begin?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, then your 1 minute preparation time begins now. Go ahead, turn over the card, and you can find your ideas.
Okay.
Okay, Jack, your 1 minute preparation time is up. Please begin speaking.
Okay. One of the most exciting days I had experienced recently was my graduation from University of Hanyang a year ago, June 20th. I had been working day and night for the 4 years previous to pass my courses and learn all of the material to earn my degree in chemical engineering. The graduation ceremony took place in main hall of the university. The hall is very large and fits several thousand students. At the front of the auditorium, there is a stage and podium where people held speeches. The stage and podium were nicely decorated. I remember feeling quite anxious and excited when my name got called to the stage. My hands was trembling, and my hand was really trembling, and I had a butterfly in my stomach. This day was so exciting for me because I had never worked so long and hard for anything else in my life. It was truly a rewarding experience. Graduating university was a thrill since it closed a major chapter in my life. I will always remember with happiness and pride for this day.
That's the end of your 2 minutes. I will stop you there. Can I please have back the paper with the questions? Thank you. And the notes as well as the pencil. Thank you very much. And we will now continue with part 3. For part 3, I will ask you some more questions related to the topic of part 2.
Okay.
Let's talk about exciting activities.
To see the rest of this speaking interview and for lots more help with the general version of the IELTS exam, including over 100 hours of video lessons with tips and strategies, as well as an interactive course and 6 original practice exams, visit and join our premium package today at www.gieltshelp.com. Subscribe to our channel. Click here. Watch more videos. Click over here. Or click our IELTS Hero for 100 hours of complete video lessons, 6 original practice exams, and strategies to pass IELTS.